The 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge is an American muscle icon known for its aggressive styling and raw performance. This legendary car redefined power and attitude on the open road. Celebrated for its high-performance V8 engine, the GTO Judge delivered exhilarating power and acceleration. Its rumbling engine sound became synonymous with American muscle. The design of the GTO Judge features bold body lines, a distinctive split grille, and hood scoops that emphasize its aggressive character. It remains a symbol of muscle car heritage. Inside, the Judge offers a driver-focused cockpit with sporty bucket seats, a minimalist dashboard, and a performance-oriented steering wheel. Its interior reflects the car's raw power. Equipped with performance-tuned suspension and advanced engineering for its era, the GTO Judge handled high speeds and tight corners with precision, making it a rally favorite. The Pontiac GTO Judge became a cultural icon in the USA, featured in movies, music, and car shows. Its legacy endures among collectors and muscle car enthusiasts. Modern restorations of the GTO Judge showcase meticulous attention to detail. Enthusiasts preserve its vintage charm, while upgrading performance for today's roads. The GTO Judge's design and performance set a benchmark that still influences modern American muscle cars. Its powertrain and aesthetics continue to inspire new generations. Originally built for pure performance, the 1970 GTO Judge combined raw power with style. Its engineering innovations made it a standout during the muscle car era. Collectors and enthusiasts value the GTO Judge for its rarity and unmatched performance credentials. It is one of the most sought-after American muscle cars today. The 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge represents the pinnacle of American muscle car design. Its blend of power, style, and legacy continues to captivate fans across the nation. The return of interest in classic muscle cars has rekindled passion for the GTO Judge. Its enduring legacy proves that true performance never goes out of style. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.